Hello, today we will guide you through how to put a PDF into Manychat. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focus on creating a new automation where you can add a PDF. If you're following along inside Manychat, it helps to have your PDF ready beforehand so the process feels smooth and uninterrupted. To begin, go to the Home tab in Manychat. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main areas of your workspace and helps you orient yourself before building anything new. Once you're on the Home tab, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Automation. This is where Manychat stores the tools for building automated experiences, including flows and content paths that can deliver files like PDFs to your audience. After opening the automation area, click on New Automation. This starts the process of creating something new rather than editing an existing setup. If you already have other automations in your account, this helps make sure you're building a fresh one specifically for this purpose. Next, choose Start from Scratch. This option is useful when you want full control over how the automation is set up without using a pre-built template. It also keeps the process clean and easy to understand, especially if your main goal is simply to add a PDF. From there, click Start from a blank canvas. This opens a completely empty workspace where you can build the automation yourself. A blank canvas can feel simpler because you're only adding what you need, which makes it easier to stay organized. Now select Instagram. This step is important because it defines the channel where this automation will be used. Make sure you choose the correct platform so the content is placed in the right environment and behaves as expected for your audience. Finally, click on PDF. This is the key step that allows you to insert a PDF into your Manychat automation. Once you select it, you'll be working with the file type needed to share your document through the automation flow. And that's the setup process for getting to the point where you can place a PDF into Manychat. As a general tip, it's always a good idea to double check that you're in the correct automation and on the correct channel before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple platforms. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion later. Thanks for following along, and that's how to put a PDF into Manychat.